I'm having too much fun right now. I will do this work later. Or there is enough time. I can do the work tomorrow. Have you done this in your life? I surely have. We all tend to procrastinate sometime or the other. Procrastination? How do we fight the devil? The biggest devil. It will not harm you or hurt you, but it will make sure that you do not succeed in life. Let's fight it. Let's prove to him that you are special. Today's topic? I'll tell you later. No procrastination. Today's topic is procrastination, and we are here to fight it, to learn how to defeat the evil. Welcome to the channel. You are special. Hi, I am Shachi Seth. I'm a writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your best friend. Time for a little story. Once there was a very beautiful village. The people were prosperous and happy there. But the devil wanted to destroy it. So he called all his little devils to help him. Anger came first and made people fight with each other. Lust came next, wanting to defile people's mind and destroying love. Greed offered to destroy the village with their uncontrolled desires. Hate, envy, fear, all the devils gave a try. But the devil was not convinced. He was not satisfied. Then an assistant came to help. He said he will tell the people how God wants them to be, how they should be honest, happy, and hardworking, and be very good to others. The devil was very upset. That's when the assistant added, but I will also tell them there is no hurry and they can take all the actions tomorrow. He sowed the seeds of procrastination. The entire village was ruined. That's the evil of procrastination. Before the devil of procrastination harms you, get up, take actions and fight the evil. But how would we do that? Continue watching the video and I'll get all the answers. What exactly is procrastination? Procrastination can be defined as the act in which we delay or avoid our task or action when we know that they need immediate attention due to various reasons. It can happen to anyone, irrespective of age or profession. Procrastination can be habit, but there are various psychological reasons that causes procrastination. Let us learn why exactly we procrastinate. What are the reasons? 1. Feeling bored. When a task lacks excitement, entertainment or interest, you may find it difficult to engage with it. Boredom can lead to procrastination as you seek more interesting and enjoyable activities instead of the task in hand. 2. Lack of belief in your abilities. If you doubt your capabilities or worry about not being able to complete a task successfully, you might delay starting it. This lack of self-confidence can affect your motivation and lead to procrastination. Third, fear and anxiety. Procrastination often arises from the fear of failure, fear of the unknown, oblivion, or the anxiety about the outcome of the task. The discomfort associated with these feelings can lead you to delay the task to avoid facing your fears. 4. Perfection. We all want to be perfect, but striving for perfection can paralyze you because you're afraid of making mistakes. You may delay starting a task because you want everything to be flawless, which can hinder your progress and lead to procrastination. 5. Distraction. Easily accessible distractions nowadays, such as social media, TV, smartphone, can divert your attention away from the task. These distractions provide short-term pleasure, making it tempting to delay tasks you find less immediately rewarding. 6. Overwhelming task. When a task seems too big, too complex or too challenging, you might feel overwhelmed and unsure where to start. This feeling of tasks being too lengthy, too difficult can lead to procrastination as you're unsure how will you tackle such a large endeavor. 7. Lack of clarity. Without a clear understanding of what's expected out of you or how to proceed further, you might hesitate to start a task. Uncertainty about the steps or goals can lead to procrastination as you postpone it until you have a better grasp of the situation. 8. Underlying conditions. Sometimes the psychological disorders like depression, ADHD or other conditions like lack of energy, lack of sleep, exhaustion might be one of the causes and might lead to procrastination. Once you know the reasons, you're halfway through and you'll find a way to fight the procrastination too. Overcoming procrastination can be challenging, But with consistent effort and the right strategies, you can develop better habits and improve your productivity. Here I am sharing some steps that you can take to stop the habit of procrastination. It is long, it can be overwhelming, but stay tuned. 1. Set clear goals. Clearly define your short term and long term goals. When you have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, it becomes easier to stay focused and motivated. 2. Break the task into smaller steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming and lead to procrastination. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the task less daunting, less scary, and makes you progress more consistently. 3. Prioritize. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix, which includes plan yourself, organize it, allocate it to others, and take the follow up if it is going well. Also, prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on high priority tasks and align them with your goals. 4. Create a schedule. Develop a daily or weekly schedule that includes dedicated time for work. It should be relaxation, leisure, and exercises. Stick to your schedule to establish a routine that minimizes procrastination. You will be a disciplined person. 5. Use time management techniques. Techniques like Pomodoro technique, which involves working for a set period and then taking a short break. Like you're working for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break. This can help you maintain focus and prevents burnout. 6. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize potential distractions in your environment, such as turning off notification from your mobile phone or your laptop, using website blockers, or finding a quiet workplace. 7. Practice self-discipline. Cultivate self-discipline by holding yourself accountable for your actions. Reward yourself for completing a task and also punish yourself. It could be removing a break time, not giving you enough tea or coffee. So you will be able to meet your commitments sooner. 8. Visualize success. Visualization is very important. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that you will feel when you will complete a task. Visualization success can boost motivation and reduce procrastination. 9. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for completing the task or reaching milestones. This could be something as simple as a treat or a coffee break. 10. Very important. Find your most productive time. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to the time when you're most alert and focused during the day and schedule your most important tasks during those times. 11th. Overcome perfectionism. Perfection is good, but it can lead to procrastination as you may fear not meeting impossibly high standards. Accept that tasks don't have to be perfect. You must focus on progress step by step. 12. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques like meditation can help you to stay present and focus, reducing the tendency to procrastinate by bringing your attention back to the task in hand. 13. Seek accountability. Share your goals and progress with a friend, family member, or a colleague who can hold you accountable, ask for feedback, and also encourage you every time you need it. 14. Break the procrastination cycle. There are few patterns of procrastination, something that you keep on doing again and again. It can be avoiding tasks by engaging in something busy or constantly switching tasks. Recognize them and break those patterns by consciously redirecting your focus. 15. Address underlying issues. Sometimes procrastination can be a symptom of underlying issues such as fear of failure, lack of confidence, depression, ADHD. Consider seeking professional help if these issues are holding you back. Remember that overcoming procrastination is a gradual process that requires consistent effort and patience. It is important to be kind to yourself and celebrate your success along the journey. Procrastination is definitely a devil. Don't make it a habit. Just recognize when you're procrastinating and take steps to overcome that procrastination. I really hope that you liked the video. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And remember the bell icon for notification. Also, if you have any doubt or any queries, feel free to share in the comment box below. I'll reply. I'll address it for sure. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye and God bless.